fun.
You can go ahead and let it go.
Like I said, this one's pretty easy for the most part. We have a photographer that's going to be snapping your photo any minute. So if you make silly faces, do it on purpose. Very nice, team. No one fell out yet. I'm very happy. Lean forward, lean forward. Wow, he did get a 180. Give me two. Give me two more. Two more. Lean forward. Uh-oh. Well, it happens some days. Happy ending though, nobody swam. Give me two forward. Good job. Nice roll, buddy. Yeah, you'll be in there. I didn't mean to get rescue boater, but I did see him, then I noticed you.
He always gets in my way.
Yeah, well, he's aiming for floating undercuts. You should watch out for him. This is broken nose proper. It is class 3 plus. Quite a bit of fun usually. Give me two. Oh yeah, man. Okay, it's gonna get bumpy. Don't fall out, team. I'm gonna try to stay away from Robbie. I don't want to squish him. Hey, how you doing, brother? Yeah, I might rub you for your safe spot, brother. And one. We might do something fun here. I'm gonna see what it looks like when we get close. So if I tell you to get down, get really low this time. Give me one. Give me two more. Okay, get down. Give me two forward. That's my favorite 80 turn right there. Oh! Stay down, stay down. Get down, get down. Oh, that was silly. And that raft there is parked at Sneaky Feet in full water. Give me two. Try not to look at them. I don't want to distract myself with Brad. There's a funny looking rock or wave right in front of them that warns you not to go there. At least if they looked at my guidebook I made a few years ago, a video guidebook how to run this river. Give me one. Don't hit that rock, Fred. I know where it's at. Oh, I forgot to say, don't fall out. All right, team, get ready. Give me one. Give me two. Dig them. Give me two more. Give me one more. It happens a lot around here. Give me one more. We don't want to get parked on him too bad. Big hit. And give me two. We're going to set safety. Oh, that was crazy, Fred. Why'd you do that? Backwards three, dig 'em hard. That switches all. Ready, set, go! And two, let's go two. All right, relax, smile, think happy thoughts. Give me two, give me two. I don't want to roll the toast if I can help it. We might need him. In fact, I know we need him. And he's one of my pals. If these videos make you want to come rafting, consider rafting with me, Fast Fred. Check out the URL on the screen right now. I will appreciate you. I will show you a good time, and I'll do my best to keep you safe. So bring it on down to the Ocoee and let's have some fun. Looking forward to seeing you.